The BMW M340i uses a 6-cylinder 3.0-litre turbo gasoline engine that produces 374 horsepower and develops 500 Nm of maximum torque. The petrol is connected to an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission and power is transmitted to all four wheels via the BMW xDrive system. The BMW M340i accelerates from standstill to 100 km/h in just 4.4s, while the top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h. Engineers acknowledge that participation in racing is very important for the progression from generation to generation, which is more than evident in specific driving behavior. BMW also emphasizes the very rich basic equipment that will fit into each of the three LED headlights as standard, and there are two more levels besides them. A brand new head-up display has also been inserted, one of the largest at the moment. The safety systems include a warning for driving in the opposite direction, and the sound and light signals will warn you that you have not stopped.